We often think of chocolate and graham crackers as just a simple snack, but did you know this combination is the secret foundation for everything from silky chocolate cream pies to award-winning artisanal candies? Let's explore how these pantry staples transform into deep flavored treats. Unlike standard sweeteners, chocolate graham crackers offer a richer taste profile, enhanced by real cocoa and honey, creating a texture that is both tender and crisp. The versatility extends beyond eating them plain. These crackers are indispensable for baking. They provide the perfect crunchy crust for chocolate cream pies and serve as the base for no-bake dessert bars when mixed with marshmallow fluff. For the ultimate crunch, we can turn them into a no-bake treat by dipping them in melted milk chocolate. This process requires melting the chocolate in 30-second increments to ensure it stays smooth and coats the crackers evenly. We can also elevate the flavor profile by adding salt, which scientifically enhances the cocoa notes and toasty whole wheat flavors. The fat in butter or high-quality chocolate adds a rich, lush mouthfeel that prevents the crackers from becoming dry. These treats are perfect for family gatherings and kids who love simple ingredients. Whether you are making homemade versions with real cocoa or shopping for artisanal brands like Cocoa Joe's, you are choosing a treat made from quality, non-processed ingredients. In conclusion, the magic lies in the contrast between the crunchy cracker and the smooth chocolate. By understanding how butter, honey, and salt interact, you can create a perfect balance that tastes far better than anything found in a standard box. So there you have it. The secret to the perfect chocolate graham cracker lies in balancing flavor and texture. What is your favorite way to serve them? Let me know in the comments below.